What is up, guys? This is MVAC Studios here. For today's video, I'll be showing you my customized 1975 R46 N train. Before I get started, I do have an announcement that I mentioned in the last video. I know I said I was going to change my profile picture and name, and now I'm going to announce it. From now on, I'll be forever known as the MattRailfanner, or MattRailfanner. I know I'm always called MVAC Studios, but the name's starting to get pretty old, so I had to change it. But now, let's get started. So a while back, I customized this N train to make it the 1970s version. With the help from my dad, let's spin it around, from the help of my dad, he was able to print out the sticker sheets that I got from the Munipals conversion stuff. And as I turn it around more, this is what it looks like. I mean, I did make my own Munipals conversion to fit the sizes of the stickers. And I'm going to show you how I made it. Let's get into it. So as you guys can see, I have a sticker paper printed with the custom stuff I made. As you can see, I made these blue stripes to fit it. We even have the N train right here. The N train symbols in the 1970 styles, also some A train symbols. And we have these customizations right here, which I found from the Munipals conversion stuff Discord page. I'll have a link so you guys can check it out. So you're probably wondering why I have this paper. So a while back, I did show lots of train YouTubers or subway YouTubers this train, and now I decided to change the stickers to the new ones I have right here. Let me show you guys how I do it. Let me just grab it real quick. Okay, I'm back. We have an X-Acto knife which I use to cut out the stickers perfectly. Now before I do this, if the younger people is watching this, please do not try this yourself. I am trained to do this. If you want to do this, then ask your parent for help, because stuff like this could be very dangerous when you're using one of these. Now, let's show you how I do it. I know I don't have a tripod for this, for my phone, since I'm basically holding it by my hand. So let me actually show you how I did it, if it's going to be hard to. So basically what I do, I just align the stickers perfectly. Actually, I use a ruler for this. I'll get the ruler in a second. So I cut out, sorry, my hand's in the way. I cut out the stripes perfectly, and then I stick it onto the train. I am going to be removing these stickers in a bit. And then as for these, I do the same thing right here for the rest. This one will be pretty hard, but I'll show you how I do it, even though I don't have a tripod for my phone. I have to save up for that. I know I said in my video about my return to trains that I will get a save up for a GoPro. But anyways, let's get started. Okay, so I have the ruler here, which I measured the train length from where the stripes go. I won't be able to do this on camera since I don't have a tripod, which I already said that like 2 times. It's now gonna be best for me if I do it off camera, but I'll show you how I did it in the end. Anyway, I'll see you then. I still have lots to do, but I think I might do the front next before I do the rest. Let me show you how it's done, even though I can't. Okay, progress is doing great so far. I just have to do these last 4 sides and then I'm done. I know this isn't a tutorial. This is just a step-by-step, how do you call it? We'll just call it a step-by-step video. But once I get a tripod, I will do a tutorial of how to do this. Now, I'll just continue. Okay guys, it is done now. Like I said, this isn't a tutorial yet, but hopefully in a future video, I'll be able to do a tutorial. But here is the front, and the back looks the same now, even though they look a little different, a little crooked. But don't worry, I'll probably fix that soon. if I can. But I think that's all of it. Hopefully I'll be able to do a tutorial soon on how to do this. Alright, also another thing, the logo's still the same. I won't be able to change the logo, unfortunately. Anyway guys, that wraps us up. Also, I will do a part 2 of rail fanning in New York City. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.